guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing rush outfits of the week for sorority recruitment. I go to Arizona State. I get asked that a lot, and this is our rush week and today's first day, and I thought I'd show you guys my outfits of the week because I've been getting a lot of requests for that. So let's go. So today's day one, which is the most like casual day, but you still have to look like somewhat nice, and I don't like my outfit as much as I thought I was going to, so that sucks. It's still kind of cute-ish. Yeah, my shirt, it's actually like, I don't like the cut of this, so but it's from Forever 21, and there's actually like a ruffle right here, but I tucked it in because I thought the ruffle was like too much with this thing going right here. This is from Forever 21 too. Everything was just so cheap, and I love cheap. I don't ever take this necklace off. It's from Princess Polly, and it came with like another necklace, but I only like this one. My shoes are really cute. They're like a little big on me, but like that's okay. They have like a little baby heel. I think they're cute. They're from Tilly's, and I think they're gonna give me really bad blisters, but whatever. I'm also bringing this bag that they make us bring. It has a bunch of stuff, and yeah, day one. I'm back from round one. Oh my god, whoa, I talked to people looking like this. Yikes. I'm literally dead. My feet didn't hurt really until the very last round, and I don't have blisters at all. These shoes are amazing, totally get them. Besides just like standing on them all day, and I ate a lot of food during our break, so I literally am like in a food coma, and I literally look like a hooker. You look cute, and I look like a person that's How was it for you?
It was good.
I definitely think it was like a
Should we, wait, can we see if we got the same three that we like said no to?
I feel like I was a little bit overdressed, but also like rather be overdressed than underdressed.
You're not overdressed.
No, I've never like, okay, most people wore jean skirts that I saw. Every house, it was just so much different than I thought it would be. 110% different than I thought it would be. There's houses I really didn't think about. There's like one house I didn't even know about, and I was like, I like you. And then most of them I just like didn't have a connection with. Like literally I would say most of them besides like 3 or 4, I just like wasn't feeling it. You know, like it was just the same conversation over and over.
I feel that, but like I don't know, there
were
were some when I just like clicked with the girls. There were some where we were literally like dying laughing.
Yeah, and I was like, what? I was like dying laughing with some, but like a lot of houses I kind of liked when you'd switch girls.
Get your phone.
It's over there.
I'll get it. We have this app. It literally is how we put in like our preferences for every day. And like we have to give it to our Rogan.
We put it to
Oh dude, yeah.
They were the most boring. There's one house I didn't even know about, and I like really liked the girl. There were a few. One girl was like talking crap about her sorority sisters, and I was like, no,
really?
Bye.
Wait, which one?
There's one that I really did not want to like, but I think it's my favorite one, but I didn't want to like it. There's like 4 that I like, and then the rest I just... Hey guys, it's day 2 now, and I have to do day 2 twice, so I'm going to rewear this outfit for both days. Here's the outfit. It's short. So my dress, really cute like wrap dress, love from Princess Polly. I'm wearing the same necklace from Princess Polly. I did my hair in like this half up, half down thing, and it's like falling out already. And then my shoes, they're really cute. They're from Tilly's. They have like a little heel on them again. I don't feel like the heels go very well with this dress, but whatever. I'm actually running late right now, so I have to go, but talk to you when I'm done. Okay, hi, I'm back. Yeah, I changed my shoes into like these flats because I felt like they looked better because the other ones like didn't, and a girl mentioned that they were flats, and I was like, really? She said something about it, and I was like, dude, that's not good. No, and then I was like, yeah, the other ones are like tripped in them, and she was like, oh yeah, it's gonna wear shorter heels, but beauty's pain. So, and I was like, oh god. Yeah, but I hate this outfit. I'm not gonna wear it tomorrow. You can get called back up to 10 houses. I got called back to 10, and none of them were repeat of ones that I've dropped. People got houses they dropped.
I got called back to 9, and 3 of them were the ones I dropped.
You dropped all 3 and you got 3 back?
Yes, I dropped 3, and then like 6 of them were the ones I liked. It actually happened to a lot of people, so like, don't beat yourself up too much about it. Like, I'm totally gonna disconnect from the rush process now and just like try and make friends.
I really think that I found like the house I want to be in. I was debating between 2, and one of them I was just like really like trippy about because like their reputation. I just didn't know if like, is their reputation real and they're just like being fake to me, or is it not real and like the reputation's wrong. I did not like that house as much as I did the first time. Not as much. I still have 5 more tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes, but I really think I found the one that I want to be in. Okay, well I'll see you tomorrow in my new outfit because I hate this one. Hey guys, today is round 2, day 2, so it's basically the same thing as yesterday, just different houses. I changed my outfit for this. I was going to wear the same outfit. They said you can. I actually noticed a lot of people didn't because the same houses aren't seeing you. You're seeing different ones, so you could wear the same outfit. I didn't just because I wasn't like that comfortable in that outfit, and I really wish I would have worn this outfit yesterday because I had like my more like important like houses that I liked more yesterday, but I'll show you guys my outfit. Here it is. It's out of focus. We're waiting. We're there. So this is a dress from Forever 21. It was super cheap. Everyone said it gave them like Tommy Hilfiger, I don't even know how to pronounce that, vibe. This necklace is from Forever 21, and then my shoes are from Old Navy. These are the ones I wore yesterday. I'm noticing a lot more people are starting to wear heels, and like as more people start to wear heels, I'm literally like flatting it up. That was not a verb. Houses today were cool. I definitely did like the ones yesterday more. There's 2 houses that I did like today, but I just don't think they're gonna be like the ones I end up in. Yesterday I was like so sad in a house. I was like sold, and then I started overthinking it, and now I'm like back to like I don't know what I want. I also figured out accidentally where all my rogammas, like which sorority they're in. Unless I'm wrong, then I could be, you know. I think I figured it out, you know. I have a ton of homework to do, so I will see you guys tomorrow. So today is day 3. I'm out of focus. So today is Sisterhood day, which I'm really excited about. All my rogams are like, this is the best day. You're gonna learn so much about the sorority, and you're going to just like really fall in love with them. So I'm so pumped. I have 6 houses, all the houses that I wanted, which is I'm happy about. So I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm obsessed with it. I'm also in like I just slipped. I'm also in a really good mood right now. So here is my outfit. My hair, I kind of look like a cone. Like I'm getting cone vibes from the way my hair is like falling, but it's okay. We don't care. We still love her. Anyways, so my dress is this adorable like maxi dress, and it has like these like ruching, which makes me feel like I have like rolls, like fat rolls here, because like it kind of does. I'm kind of into it. I don't know, but it's so cute. It's like this chiffon material. I'm considering like steaming it because you see like the little wrinkles. I might not. I still have a lot of time. I go in at like 11 and it's like 10 something right now. But this is from Forever 21. My necklace, I'm wearing this one again from Forever 21. I was gonna wear the Princess Polly one, but like I don't know. I don't feel like taking this one off. I curled my hair. I also don't have hairspray, so my hair is definitely not going to be curly by the time I get there. Shoes, haven't put those on yet. Going to wear these. They're from Tilly's. I was gonna wear them the other day if you guys remember that, but I didn't end up wearing them. Hopefully they look cute with this dress. Maybe not, but like whatever. I'm just so excited. Like this whole process I've just really been liking, honestly. Like I've been getting back all the houses that I wanted, and I've just been having really good conversations with them. Like there's houses where you just have a conversation and you just like don't, like there's just like that awkward like I don't know what to say next, but then there's the houses where like it just keeps going and you just don't feel that, you know, like you just feel like you fit in there. So I'm getting really excited. All like the important houses that I like really like are at the end of the day, which sucks. I'll look less good, but they won't care because they want me for more than just my makeup looking good, I hope. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Hey, so I'm back. It was a long day and I literally just feel dead. I had 6 houses. I got all the houses I really wanted back. I went to them and like they were just all so disappointing. Like I literally just, I don't know, I just didn't. There's one house that I just really want to be in, and I feel like that's the only house I would want to be in. The other ones I just didn't. So for this one I had to drop 4 so I can only have 2. The other one I like literally talked to my rogams for so long, and I was like, I don't know. There's a house that I really liked everything about it, but I didn't have a conversation where I really connected with someone. And then the other house I had a conversation where I connected with someone, but I didn't like everything else about the house, if that makes any sense. So I basically put the one that I didn't have a good like conversation with, because my rogam was like, if you had one good conversation, would that change your whole mind? And I said yes. So I had one house that literally almost made me cry, and not for like good reasons. Like first round, the house that I liked the most, I went in there and I talked about it, and I said something about how I have a YouTube channel, and I've never felt so small. Like they literally, I felt like they were making fun of me like in front of me about it, and it literally, like I haven't had that experience since being like a junior in high school. Like having people be so like condescending and like mean about it, like it really, I literally like was about to cry in the house because I was so hurt. Like I don't even know how to describe it. Like I literally felt like I was in high school again, surrounded by a bunch of mean girls who were making fun of me for making YouTube videos. Like that's literally what it felt like, and it has like ruined this entire day for me. I want to cry right now. But I did find a house that I really liked. I got a lot of compliments on my dress. That like one house, I really liked them too at first. Like the first day I really liked them, the second day I liked them like a little bit less, and then today I was just like, I can't be around people that are just made me feel so small. It made me feel like they thought I was pathetic. So we'll see tomorrow. Fingers crossed I get the one house I want. The other ones I just don't even care about. Hey guys, so today is prep day, which is the last day, so I have 2 houses. I'm very excited. I just want one. I don't even want the second one. I'm nervous the second one I put didn't pick me, but like I also don't care because I just want the first one. I'll show you my outfit. Ta-da! This was actually my homecoming dress from senior year. Fun fact, everyone, I was like, do I wear this dress or do I wear this dress, my graduation dress? They all said this one, so I'm wearing this one. It's actually from like Pinterest, so not really sure like exactly where it's from. I legitimately bought it off of Pinterest, and yeah, I love it. So the heels, I'm actually going to wear like tall heels because that's what you do, I guess. I could wear these, but like they're like Stillanois and like I think I'm going to wear these nude heels. They're from Q. They're really cute. I'm also not wearing any jewelry besides like these earrings, which I've been wearing like pretty much all day because like high neckline, so I can't really wear a necklace, and then I don't really like bracelets. Also kind of annoying me how this dress is like doing that every time I bend over, but what are you gonna do? So yeah, I'm really excited and nervous for today, but I'm gonna go and I'll see you after. Hi, I'm back. It's so much later. 2 hours since I prepped, I actually got back, which is really surprising because one, I just like did not think I was gonna get back, but I did. I definitely know which one I want. I put them in my preferences. I had like my favorite human being ever prep me in the house I wanted. The other one was still good, just wasn't like as good. So I'll see you guys on bid day. Today is bid day, so today is the day that we find out which house we're in, and literally this was the hardest decision for me to like what to wear. Like why? This is the easiest day. You literally wear a shirt so you can put a shirt over it because they give you stuff, but here's my outfit. These are from American Eagle. This is from Forever 21. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Also, I'm going to vlog bid day. I'm like kind of nervous for it, but if you guys want to see that, I'm going to be doing a week in my life video, so you should watch that when it comes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!